No-Goes on the Camino, Part 5, Being Noisy Along the Way. The Camino is a spiritual thing. People are lost in their thoughts, they're in their own minds, and the last thing that they want is a party crew with a boombox or people talking on the phone so loud that you can hear them a few hundred meters away. So of course you can talk to your friend, of course you can have talks or whatever, but make sure that the people that are not right beside you are not disturbed by your entertainment.